Unit 10, Day 3 homework tutorial. This tutorial comes from section 10.4 of the textbook, which the homework assignment is on the back side of the worksheet titled 10.3, 10.4. Your job is to work on the even problems, but I will work through the odds, and they're just the same, essentially. So for number 19, we're looking for angle N. Angle N is right here, and angle N is intercepting arc LK, which is I don't know what the delay is, sorry. Ooh, got a little Ghost Rider going on here. Alright, now I think I have regained control over my pen. Alright, so this is the arc that angle N is intercepting. So that means the measure of angle N is going to be half the measure of the arc. So it's 1/2 the measure of arc LK. So that means it's 1/2 of 62. So that means it's 31 degrees. This was theorem 10. 10.6. 10.6. For 21, we're going to use theorem 10.7, which states that if two angles intercept the same arc, so angle U intercepts arc WT, angle V also intercepts arc WT, so that means angle U is congruent to angle V, and on the picture it indicates that angle V is 30 degrees, so that means angle U is also 30 degrees. On 27, we're going to use the same theorem, 10.7, and we're looking for angle A. So angle A is going to be congruent to angle D because both of them intersect arc BC. So since they're equal, we can say 6y minus 2 is equal to 5y plus 8. Subtract 5y would give you y minus 2 equals 8. Add 2 would give you y equals 10. And since we know that y is equal to 10 and we're looking for a, we're going to substitute back into the problem. So it would be 6 times 10 minus 2 is 58 degrees. On number 23, we're going to use theorem 10.8, which states that if an angle intercepts a semicircle, then the angle equals 90 degrees. The semicircle is right here, WX, and the angle that intercepts it is angle Y. So angle Y is 90 degrees. Knowing that, we can find X because this is a triangle and all angles of a triangle will add up to 180. So in other words, I'm saying angle W plus angle X plus angle Y equal 180 degrees for a triangle. Angle W is X plus 12. Angle X is X. And angle Y, we already mentioned, is 90 degrees. So combine all of our like terms. We have 2x's, and then 12 plus 90 is 102. And now we need to subtract 102 from both sides, which would give us 2x is equal to 78. And divide by 2 on both sides, so x is equal to 39. 29, we're still using theorem 10(8). So in this time, angle S will be the right angle because here's my semicircle. So that means 2x plus 4x minus 6 plus 90 is 180. Combine my like terms. You have 6x's and then plus 84 is 180. Subtract 84 on both sides. You would have 6x is equal to 96. And then divide by 6 on both sides. You would have x is equal to 16. And the last few problems come or use theorem 10(9), which says if you have a quadrilateral inscribed inside a circle, the opposite angles are going to equal 180. So if I'm looking for angle R, I know that the measure of angle R plus the measure of angle P is going to equal 180 since they're opposite of each other. So that means 3x plus 75 will equal 180. Subtract 75 would leave you with 3x is equal to 105. And if you divide by 3, x will equal 35. But I'm not looking for x, I'm looking for r. And r is equal to 3 times x, so 3 times 35, which is 105. So 105 degrees is angle r. Using the same theorem, I can answer 31. I know that the measure of angle W plus the measure of angle Y will equal 180 degrees. So that means x plus 18 plus 2x is 180. So combine my like terms, I would have 3x plus 18 equals 180. Subtract 18, so you have 3x is equal to 162. And then divide by 3, so x is equal to 54. And again, I'm not looking for x. I need to use x and to replace it back into the problem to find angle W. Angle W is x, which is 54 plus 18. So that means it measures 72 degrees. And this concludes your tutorial for this section. Good luck on finishing your homework.